Okay, so find the equation of the circuit that contains the given points. 4, 1, minus 2, 1, and 2, 3. So, what we're looking at doing first is we're going to draw a rough board down and we're going to label them A, B, and C. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to do a diagram of a circle. This is my circle here. I'm going to write down the points A, B, C, not exactly the most accurate, but just so that one will be 4, 1. We'll call this one 2, 3, and this one here minus 2, 1, which should be equal to 4, 1 around here. Okay, so something like that. We have points A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So 4, 1 is A, isn't it? So that's A. C is the middle one, and B would be here. It doesn't really matter. I'm just doing a rough diagram of where they'd be on the XY axis. Okay, just a rough diagram. So, I told you to start off with what type of chords? Chords AB, is it? Yeah. So we're going to do the chord AB. Now we're going to have to get the midpoint of AB. Can anybody, just to speed up the process, can anybody give me the midpoint of AB?
1, 1.
Midpoint of AB is? 1, 1. Everybody happy with that? Okay. Slope of AB?
0.
Slope of AB equals?
0.
0. Okay. So just AB. So it is y minus y1. Okay. So what this means is that it's going to be a line. So if you imagine, I was going to get the GeoGebra for this for a second. Alright. So that means we have to do perpendicular to that, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, I can show you what to do. You can do it. It's just so the slope of AB is 0. Okay. So what this means for AB is just a quick adjustment onto our graph here. AB are actually directly across from each other. Okay. So what happens is A to B should have been going straight across like that, and this means that the midpoint. Now it's not a diameter, by the way; it's a chord. Okay. And the midpoint here was, what do we say, 1, 1? We call that point D. And then the perpendicular bisector, which you're going to do in red, is coming directly down. Now, any line that's vertical, okay? Any line that is vertical is going to, that's meant to be straight down, right? Any line that's vertical has the equation y equals something. Okay, and because we know that the y value of this point is 1, 1, because we know the y value is 1, we know that this is the equation y equals 1. So the tangent to the perpendicular bisector to the first one is the equation y equals 1. Okay, we go to the next one, which is the line BC. Okay, so we're going to get the midpoint of B to C, and what did we say the midpoint of B to C was again?
0.
Midpoint BC?
0,
2. Okay, and then we want the slope of BC. Anyone know the slope of BC? Okay, it is a half. Okay, we'll just put in our numbers here: x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're going to get what's that? 1 minus 3 all over minus 2 minus 2, which is a half. The perpendicular slope equals minus 2. Okay, get the formula of the line. You're looking for the, what did we say that was? 0, 2. So there's going to be a line. This isn't accurate, by the way, guys. It's going to be a point coming in through here somewhere, and there's going to be the center of the circle. Okay, so that's what we're drawing basically. So we're going to get the equation of this line, which is y minus y1 into m bracket x minus x1, and what we're going to get is y minus, that's x1 y1, 0 and 2. Y minus 2 equals minus 2 into x minus 0. Y minus 2 equals minus 2x, and then 2x plus y equals 2. Now, because we know what the y value is, we know that y equals 1. We can then replace y equals 1 into this equation here to find out what x is. So we're going to get 2x plus 1 equals 2, 2x equals 1, x equals half. Guys, sorry, when I put down midpoint of 0, 2. Okay. Sorry. Just the point, let's go back to this one for a second, alright? We started off with AB, didn't we?
Yeah.
Sorry guys. So guys, what happens here was, sorry, just a quick adjustment on this last one, right? This is the line 1, 1, okay? And what we had here with 1, 1 was basically with that point 1, 1, we had a vertical line going straight through it, which is this vertical line here. And this vertical line here is the line x equals 1. Okay? That's the line x equals 1. Now we did the other part normally, as in we did just point the slope of the new equation. It's y minus y1 equals n and x minus x1. We did make a mistake there. So what happened was we got y minus y1, which is 2, equals minus 2 into x minus 0. That was correct. Y minus 2 equals minus 2x. And then you got 2x plus y equals 2. Now the thing is, x equals 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus y equals 2. Y therefore equals 0. So it's the centre of the circle is the point 1, 0. Okay. Now the point 1, 0. We now have to find the radius, don't we? So this point 0, 1 to any point on the circle, or 1, 0 to any point on the circle. So the point on the circle we can use would be C. Let's use 2, 3, C, okay? So 2, 3, and we're going to get the radius from this. So it's the centre of the circle to the point C. We're going to find our radius right now. So it's going to be square root. So it's going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's going to be 2 minus 1 squared, 3 minus 0 squared. Put it into the calculator, and we're going to get root 10. Okay. We can now do, this is the centre of the circle, so we can call it h and k. And what our answer could be is x minus 1 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals root 10 squared. And then if you want to multiply that, it's going to be x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 1. That's going to be 10. Bring over to 10, you get minus 10. And then the plus 1 and the minus 10 goes to minus 9. That's the answer in the back there. There you go. It works, okay? Alright guys. I'm just gonna